August is here, friends, and if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, you know this is true due to the sweltering heat wave. Yay. But the weather isn't the only thing that's hot. We've got these top 5 fire offers that are going to melt your face off, in a good way. Grab an iced bevy, chill out for the ClickBank top offers for August 2023. Let's jump into number 5, and we got the Lost Book of Remedies. And if you've been watching this segment for a while or promoting on ClickBank, you'll recognize it. The Lost Book of Remedies has been an evergreen top offer that cycles in and out of the top offers for several years now, and it's no wonder why either. It's a classic. This book does well in all sorts of niches: holistic mothers, survival folk, people who are wary of big pharma, herbalists, aspiring witches, etc., etc. You know. It knows no specific age group and has an impressive and truly remarkable EPC and AOV conversion rate. So this is a good offer for you to try out if you're a new affiliate or you're a really good one and you're a seasoned one. As a lower ticket digital offer, Lost Book of Remedies is performing best on Facebook, email, and organic. So check out the affiliate tools page and grab your hop link in the marketplace today. Now let's get into the numbers. It has an EPC of $1.40, an average payout value $37.39, and a hop conversion rate of 3.73%. Now it's important to know that this has been done on warm traffic. Cold traffic, you're probably going to see a lower conversion rate, probably closer to about 1%, but still is doing excellent. So go promote it. It's awesome. At number 4, we got GlucoTrust. It's a repeat offer and it is back. This blood sugar supplement just won't stop winning. This supplement is not only intended to help restore healthy blood sugar levels, it also helps with circulation, craving reduction, and sleep support. With a blend of proprietary all-natural ingredients, GlucoTrust supports the biochemical process to restore health and vitality. Man, that was a sentence. GlucoTrust is a great offer in the blood sugar health niche. It has excellent upsells and a truly amazing affiliate tool database. This is a great offer for any affiliate on ClickBank, especially on Facebook, email, and native. It's working great there. So check out the marketplace and go get your hop link for it today. So let's talk numbers here. It's got an EPC of $1, an average payout value of $146.74, which is great, and a hop conversion rate of 0.67%. Now, that conversion rate may seem lower because you're like, man, 1%, I'd like to be around that. Just remember, it's been around for a while, so all varying skill levels are running on it, all varying types of traffic are running on it. So if you start to look at, who are getting the best rates on it, still really good affiliates are seeing hop conversion rates above 1% on it. So definitely don't get scared by that conversion rate. So go out, promote it. Okay, the top 3 offers are coming up next. If you're loving this content and can't wait to get more, please give us a like and subscribe so you can be the first to find out what the ClickBank offers are and which ones are crushing it. Okay, so here are the top 3 offers. Let's get to it. At number 3, we got Live Pure. It's an awesome new offer, it's effective, and it's a lucrative supplement that performs well in multiple niches and traffic sources. Live Pure supports liver health, which is the fat-burning furnace of the body, according to them. Stubborn belly fat? Not anymore with Live Pure. Live Pure contains 5 super nutrients in a proprietary blend that kick that fat-burning furnace into gear. With the opportunity for high AOVs, Live Pure is a great option for beginner affiliates or seasoned pros. So try promoting this one on Facebook, YouTube, email, TikTok. It's working on all sources, so go. So let's talk about these numbers. EPC is at 0.99 cents, so right there at that dollar range that we want to see it. Average payout value at the range in that 148. So it's 148.40. We like to see it 145 to 150. And then a hop conversion rate 0.66%. But this comes from some really good advertisers here on the platform. They've had other bangers go out. So a lot of people are really excited for it. So you have, once again, a lot of people promoting it. We're seeing people who are really experienced getting really good conversion rates above 1% on that to 2%. Definitely one you want to keep your eye on. So go promote it. At number 2, we got Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Guess who's back? It is Lean Belly. Okay, that's right. Number 2 goes to Lean Belly Juice. This offer is truly incredible. It's from a great team behind it. It's got broad appeal, catchy marketing assets, not like my song, and a recently improved formula. There's a broad appeal for this supplement and can be marketed successfully in many different traffic channels. So you definitely want to get on it. The EPC is very impressive. The APV is even more. This is a great offer for any affiliate. Seriously, it's been here for months and months and is still killing it. Definitely promote it. Go to the affiliate tools page, get a taste of their compelling and catching marketing assets, and Facebook has been far and away the best traffic source for Lean Belly, followed by YouTube, native, and of course email, organic, and what have you. The numbers for it, the EPC is at $1.24. The average payout value, $138.39, and the hop conversion rate, 0.89%. And that's with a lot of people promoting it. So like I said with the others, this has varying skill levels. It's been out for a long time, and it still is converting, and it's converting as a diet and weight loss offer in the middle of summer when people have kind of dropped the ball and stopped caring and trying to get back in shape. So it's working very well. So go promote it. It's awesome. And at number 1, we got Prostadine. It just won't quit. This amazing offer has dominated the ClickBank top offers segment for all of 2023. It's not really surprising. This offer is effective, it has low refunds, has an excellent price point, and truly compelling affiliate tools. While the audience for Prostadine is a bit more narrow than others, given that only 50.26% of the world has a prostate, and of those prostates, not all of them need support, men. It doesn't need Prostadine from being a widely popular remedy for prostate health. This formula helps offset the wear and tear that unfiltered water has on a prostate, with the recent discovery that PFAs, aka forever chemicals, are prevalent in most water in the US and ever increasing levels of chemicals in our water. Folks are going to want to start taking their prostate health seriously. Prostadine does just that, and it doesn't look like this top offer is going to let up anytime soon. Prostadine converts well across all channels, but it's seeing really good success on YouTube, native, and email. It's okay on Facebook, but you just gotta be good with your assets. So let's talk about the numbers though. Earnings per click, $1.26. Average payout value, $131.28, and the hop conversion rate is at 0.96% with a ton of people promoting it. It's a great offer. It's seeing a lot of success. We're seeing it pop up on our leaderboards once again. You definitely want to promote it. You want to get to the marketplace, get your assets, reach out to the vendor. As always, talk to them, build a relationship so you can get that payout and promote it and make some money, y'all. And that's been our top 5 offers for August 2023. As always, like and subscribe, hit that button, push that thing. They don't tell me what this is. I don't even know where it goes. It goes all over the place. But we love you if you are watching. Are you watching? Are there people watching? I don't know if this is just somebody's personal video thing. Go, promote it, and have a great month of August if you're there.